All right, finally guys, we're gonna give an update on our potatoes. So these potatoes I planted about 3 months ago. Obviously here in the northeast area we've had some severe drought, right? No rain at all. So today it rained a lot, but I'm gonna go on vacation now for a week or so. So I need to harvest all the potatoes that I've grown today. Just follow me. Here I got a bunch of tomatoes, peppers. I've harvested so much, cucumbers. As you guys can see here, I have different varieties of potatoes. I have golden potatoes, red ones, I think even purple ones as well. And I'm gonna be harvesting the ones on the opposite side, right? So come with me. That's the biggest enemy that we have in the garden. Look at that. This is the famous all right, so earlier, a couple of weeks ago, I harvested one plant. I got like 5-6 potatoes. So I know a bunch are gonna be here. I have to be very careful. How do you know also when to harvest potatoes? Well, when the plant starts yellowing, starts dying down, you should cut the stems, leave it for 2 weeks without any growth, without any sunlight. So, and then after that, you're just gonna yank everything out. All right, come on. I don't want to damage this pair of potatoes that I have here. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. Uh-oh. One potato. Two potatoes. Uh-oh. Look. Has it been eaten by ants or something? Look at that one. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Look at that. That's why leaving it in the ground for too long is kind of bad.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow, this plant is good. Look at that. Hopefully it didn't damage them. Oh man, look at that. Look. These are the red potatoes. Got one here. Obviously, if I get something out of this, wow, look at this one. Look at this one, guys. Up close, still connected to the plant. Look. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty right there. All right, let's see. Let's look at this one right here. See how many pounds of potatoes we're gonna harvest today. Oh, the baby one. Yeah, ants are killing me. We got two more here. All right, let's go to the next one. I don't think there's nothing gonna be here because this one was a smaller plant, but you never know. Okay, I knew it, you see? Little one here. I think this one I planted it too deep. Uh-oh. Potatoes, guys. We got some potatoes. Look at that. Golden brown. Yes. Okay. Couple here. Look at that. Yeah. Look. Oh man, this is awesome, guys. If you taste one of those potatoes compared to the ones at the store, it's just way different. All right, let's see how much potatoes we got. All right, so maybe 3-4 pounds of potatoes, considering that I already harvested one and I got like 5 of them, but I'm still gonna be looking at. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna bring it inside. I'm gonna bring it inside and then put it on the scale to see how much pounds of potatoes did we get, okay? So 5.4.